phone?
I don't even know.
Is this recording?
Camera.
Yes. Go ahead, try to take it away from home. Happy birthday, Miss Emma! What you doing? You got the cake? Oh my gosh! Is that good, Miss Emma? Go ahead, Mommy. You want to try to take a cake away from Emma, Mommy?
Yeah, Mommy, she'll really scream.
Mommy.
You and your Grammy.
Aww.
You're a good little eater.
Listen, she doesn't care who's near her. Look at her.
right,
Like literally, that cake is half gone. Charlene, come take it away from her. She's gonna get sick.
Camera, maybe this is the
Charlene, she will get sick.
Yeah, it's all grease.
Does she walk?
Yes, she'll throw up.
She crawls. I think you're done, Miss Emma.
She's gonna need to burn off all that sugar.
Somebody, like, that's a lot of sugar for
I
her.
know. Should I take it away? All right.
Yeah,
I think that's her.
Just give her a little piece of
Sorry,
cake
Emma.
without the
Oh,
frosting.
she has enough. She has her hand.
She has her. She hasn't noticed her hands are full.
It's Emma, it's all.
Charlene's gonna kill me.
I know. It's okay. Go keep eating.
Ilana.
Clean up your hands. You got too much on.